First love.
First love. And you ask question, I will say answer.
Okay, you want me to ask. How do you approach a girl first?
First, love at first sight, or they know each other.
They know each other, but they've not spoken to each other.
Oh, okay. Just speaking each other personally.
Personally. I mean, they feel shy to speak to each other. What you gonna do?
Nothing. They have to remove their shy and they want to speak. If they want, that girl means.
How to remove shy?
How to remove shy means?
Does it got any zips or clips to remove?
No, it's not like that. We should feel inside that.
Should feel inside. Okay. So same question goes to girls. So let's see. Your name, please.
I'm Mary.
Okay, what you gonna do?
What do you want me to do?
And what idea are you gonna give?
What idea, as in if I have to go and approach a guy?
Same way, I mean, either way is like if your friend wants to approach or you yourself wants to approach, what ideas you're gonna use?
First, observe the person. And then, if you really feel it will go right, be a good friend. And then you can go and tell, or wait for the person.
Wait for the person. Okay, if he tell you to wait for 10 years, would you?
Depends.
Depends on what?
Family and everything as such.
Okay, so the next person we have Pallavi. Yeah. You can come here. Yeah, you can come ahead. Okay, I'll come there. Okay, what idea would you give?
What? What idea?
For approaching. I guess she's feeling very shy. I think you have to remove the shy, as he said. Oh,
She's in love, I think.
okay, you're in love. No offense, no. And what you gonna do?
Me, if it's a serious thing, I would better say that they have to meet personally. They have to speak up without any this one. They have to tell what are their opinions, and if it goes well, they can continue.
Okay, that is a good idea. So, again, we're not going to leave the shy girl here. We will ask her because she might come with the new ideas as well. So, let's ask her. So, yeah, we'll ask her as well.
No idea.
Anything, even if it's a serious or a funny thing, it's okay. You give her some ideas.
What kind of ideas?
How to approach.
Huh? I already said no.
I mean, give an idea to her. I mean, you said she's in love. So, I guess he can help you out, right? To approach? Right? So, help her out.
I said no, first we should approach her.
Okay. For example, come here. You are he is the guy. Just think, he is the guy that you are in love with. How would you approach now, as he said? Be like a boy, yeah? I think she's just gonna stand and... Okay, you have to be a girl then. Okay, fine. Come this side. You're gonna approach her or her?
It's okay.
Okay, he's gonna approach
Pooja.
Pooja. So let's start. Approach her.
Pooja? Pooja? I really love you, Pooja. Please accept my love. I'm serious. Seriously, I'm in love with you.
How can I believe you?
Just trust me as what as you.
How will I believe you?
Just believe in me.
That's what, how?
You know very well about me,
I have seen Only from 2 months. How come I'll know very well about you?
Just see my eyes.
I can see. I can't see anything in your eyes.
I guess your eyes lies.
No, I'm not a liar.
Seriously.
Seriously, yeah. Yes.
Have you ever acted as a robo?
No.
Then you're talking like a robo.
It's like proposing seriously, no.
Okay, guys, it's a new way to propose a girl being a robo. So let's see how the robo proposes.
Pooja, I
Yeah.
really love you, Pooja. Please accept my proposal, please. Please, Pooja.
Your facial expressions are like comedy. This one.
No, Pooja. I'm in love with you, Pooja, please.
How will I believe you?
I said no, just believe in me.
Just believe in me. Just believe in me. How will I believe you?
You need proof, no.
Yeah.
Just you'll come to know. You'll come to
Okay, prove it.
how to prove. We can't prove in now, no.
You have to prove. You have to prove. If you prove, then we'll see whether to accept or not.
Accept or less hypothesis, no. It's not hypothesis, it's love, Pooja.
I did not tell about rejecting. I told we'll see later.
I guess this guy is gonna cry now because she's not being impressed.
Next girl, next.
Oh my god. Okay, so this is the answers what we got here. So let's check out some more. Hi people.
Hello,
Your name?
Shafat. Abdul.
Okay, Ahmed and Shafat, I'm gonna ask you a Abdul, I'm sorry. I'm gonna ask you a question, a simple questions, okay? So if you want to pata for your girl, how would you do that?
I'd use a pickup line.
What would be that?
I wish I was Mr. Bean and you were my teddy.
Oh my god. That was
No, Bob. This is from Instagram. It's from. You don't put off by one chick also. All as one fat ladies.
seriously, you never pick up a girl.
No, actually, I do. That was if I-
girls, but most of them are. Oh, hello. Rikishi's sisters.
Akshaya is not rat.
Who is that Akshaya now?
She's one girl from near my place. Her teeth are now out.
Okay. So guys, anything else that you would do to patafy her?
What would I do, bro? I'd go ask her out directly, bro. I want to bloody date you. Yeah, bro. What's there in that? I'll tell her I want to date you. She'll be like, okay, fine, let's go out. Started.
Okay, if I were that girl, how would you have approached me?
So how would I approach you? Bitch, help out, ra? You do first. You do first, Bob.
Yeah, an ad is coming in my mind, Bob.
What ad?
Tell it out.
That she'll tell that she lost her phone, so can I have your phone so that I can ring it and find it?
Okay, that is the L18 lipstick, right?
Something.
Why would you? Have you ever applied a lipstick?
No.
Then how come you know about the ad?
My mom was watching Saas Bahu. I was sitting and watching.
Saas Bahu with the lipsticks?
Yeah, the ad.
Obviously, bro.
Okay, so
और is it that you would ask her घर पे चलना है या जाएगी क्लब?
oh my god.
I guess he's a Honey Singh fan.
Yeah, I am a Honey Singh fan.
That's good, sir. He is a
Go
Honey
on.
Singh fan. Your name?
Abhishek.
Okay, Abhishek, can you do you do a raps?
I don't do a rap, but I know a few songs of it.
Can you sing one for us?
मिठियाँ गल्ला करे कुड़ी नमकीन
Yeah, go ahead. Don't worry about that.
लगदी तू मैनू कुड़ी अंबरा दी क्वीन मिठियाँ गल्ला करे कुड़ी नमकीन
That's okay. That was cute. And whose fan are you?
Me. I'm actually, yeah, bro. I'm a Wiz Khalifa fan.
I thought you're a Mr. Bean's fan.
No, Mr. Bean, he's like my guru. I love him a lot. And his Teddy as well, as I told you.
Okay, I guess there is some story about Teddy, so maybe his friends know about the Teddy. Let's ask him.
Teddy is in JNC.
Oh, JNC girls who's watching it, so point him out there. He's the one who's got a Teddy in your college. Teddy with the ready. That's what he says. Okay, dude, what would you do to impress a girl?
If I like her, obviously I would go onto my knees, hold her hand, cuddle her a bit, and then ask her out.
Cuddle her a bit in the first meet?
Yeah.
Oh.
I would know her, but obviously I wouldn't go for the first meet, obviously, because I would take some time and then probably give it a try.
Okay, if you want to be a love guru and give us tips for somebody else, what would you do?
Love guru, just be yourself and just go nail it. What else can you say?
Okay.
Girls don't get impressed, because you can just impress them 1 day or 2 days, but you have to spend a life with them for a very long time. So in the first impression, you can't come to know everything about a person.
Okay, that's true. So let's ask you now. What would you do?
I would say, like, a girl is impressed by chocolates, right? So, the doorway to her heart is actually through that. So I would, listen, bro, listen to this. I would make her a bungalow out of chocolate. Yeah, bro, I would actually make a bungalow out of chocolates, bro. Excuse me.
Okay, that was nice.
Okay. I have cash, bro. What the credit? Yeah. What else I would do, BD?
Anything apart from the pickup line?
Anything apart? Me? I would make the chick laugh. Yeah.
Okay, that can work out, isn't it?
Obviously, why won't?
Okay, what would you do?
First, to attract her, I would do that Viru style thing, then surely.
Can you show it us?
That you need one tank.
Tank.
No, when I do it, I want it to be the first time, not repeated.
Okay. So, any other?
After that, I would tell someone to become a best friend and then introduce her to me, and then.
That is actually a usual thing that they go with the best friends and stuff. Anything else?
Gold is gold.
Okay.
Make sure you're not looking at any other girl when you're with your girlfriend.
That's the first point. Even I would prefer.
You're not looking at any other girl when you're with your girlfriend. That is one big thing. Or else you're gonna get screwed end of the day.
Okay, I'm gonna ask how to impress a girlfriend or boyfriend from both of them. So let's see what answer we're gonna get. So if you want to impress a boyfriend or a guy, approach them. What is the tricks that you're gonna suggest us?
When I have to approach a guy, well, I think you should be well dressed because that's base. I think that's what impresses a guy. When you're physically attractive. So yeah.
Okay, how do you approach him and talk to him?
I would just go up and talk to him. Just walk up and talk to him. Yeah.
Okay, and what would you do?
I have no clue.
You have no clue.
I have no clue.
Have you not done
Have I not done what?
impressing a girl or approaching her?
Nope. I haven't done.
You have not done. He's not done that.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Just general conversation, as in you just go up to the girl and talk to her. That's all.
Just a general conversation. Okay, anything else apart from this? The tips that you would like to share with us?
Tips as in
In the same thing, how to impress.
impress a boy.
Rather than dressing up neatly and beautiful, apart from that.
Okay, be yourself. Don't be fake. I guess, yeah.
Okay,
Just when you're yourself, attract them for what you are, not basically for someone you're not.
You say don't be fake, just be realistic. Okay, thank you for the answers and nice meeting you guys.
Needs, Sheena needs, Sheila needs, Sheena leads, Sheila needs, Sheena leads, Sheila needs, Sheena leads, Sheila needs, Sheena needs, Sheila leads, Sheena needs.
Sheila needs, Sheena leads. Sheila needs, Sheila needs,